I'm from Atlanta. I just graduated from Thayer High School.
My name is Emiliana Benz. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and I attend Benjamin E. Mays High School.
My name is Karan Smith, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.
My name is London Bell, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.
My name is Chelsea Ash, and I'm from Alabama.
Hi, my name is Kiandra Gresham, and I attend the Benjamin Elijah Mays in Atlanta, Georgia.
Hi, my name is Bianca Thomas. I just graduated from Maynard Jackson High School. My name is Asma Kane, born and raised in Atlanta. I'm from Senegal. My name is Sandy Bouquet. I'm from Senegal.
What I learned in this program is just learning how to work with people you've never met before and building a bond of trust and teamwork, coming together and knowing your limits and how to do certain things together.
Something I've learned is to be disciplined, and you have to push yourself if you really want to become a firefighter, because you have to go through confined spaces and do hard tasks.
Hi, my name is Lieutenant Shamari Owens, and I work at Atlanta Fire Rescue Department training facility. I've been over the cadet program for 2 years, and during this process we have had several of the cadets come on to be firefighters. I'm very much anticipating that next year we'll have at least 2 or 3 more of the cadets apply for Atlanta Fire and become recruits and become ultimately firefighters. So I think the process is really good for them, and I know they appreciate the opportunity.